Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Jeep Compass Latitude, stock number E1959P. 63,000 miles on this Compass. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Billet Silver Metallic in color. Compass seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors. Tilt wheel, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. 115 volt outlet, perfect for charging media devices, and a spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 158 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.